Hello, ma'am. May I know your name and where do you stay?
I'm Dr. Sharmila Dudani. I stay at Vikram Vihar in Lajpat Nagar 4.
Ma'am, what is your child's age?
I have two children. One is, the boy is 12 years old and the girl is 8 years old.
Ma'am, which kind of classes were you looking for them?
Actually, I was looking at mental maths because they were not very good in their mathematical abilities when they were younger. So I looked at a couple of options in the locality.
So, ma'am, which all options did you consider?
Honestly speaking, I considered another class, that is UC Mass, which is also in Lajpat Nagar, and SIP.
Okay. So, which one did you choose finally and why?
Yes, I went to both the classes and attended a mock and was attending a class when it was going on with the students. When I went to UC Mass, I found the teacher was teaching and some students, they were very small children, but they went into the balcony and were looking out of the window, and I found that very strange. And secondly, those classes were on weekdays. I, being a working parent, when I came here, I was really impressed with Roma ma'am and Alpana ma'am, their level of involvement, the level of engagement they had with the children, and also I would say my own selfish needs that it was on a Sunday, the class, which really suited me in terms of picking up and dropping them. But more than that, it was the level of engagement the teacher had with the students and their motivation and the drive which both of them had, which really impressed me.
Based on experience, tell us two more good things about SIP Academy Lajpat Nagar.
See, I come regularly to pick up my children. They definitely give me a feedback on a sort of a weekly basis as to now my children are, improving in this aspect needs to be looked into, this is how they should be doing it, and that is really beneficial in the sense, like I know that they are slowly but surely improving.
And anything that could be better?
That could be better in the sense like, I feel that, a little more, they are doing very well, fantastic in terms of, motivating the children. Though my children have been here only for 1 year, not gone through any competitive exams held by the academy, but they are doing well in terms of improving their scholastic performance also. So, I would say a little things here and there as a little bit of infrastructure can be looked into, and that's it.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely would you like to recommend SIP Academy Lajpat Nagar to other parents?
4.5.
4.5. Thank you, ma'am.